Welcome to our channel, where we discuss technology, business, and realistic ways to make money online. Today's video is very special because we will talk about how you can earn money online through dropshipping, Shopify, and Amazon FBA stores. Yes, you heard it right. In today's digital era, it is possible to run an online business from home and earn lakhs of rupees per month. However, without proper guidance and planning, achieving success in this field can be challenging. So, without further delay, let's get started. First, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you don't have to stock any products yourself. When a customer buys a product from you, the supplier or manufacturer directly ships the product to the customer. Your main tasks include marketing and customer service. Why is dropshipping popular? Requires low investment, no need to stock inventory. Can sell products worldwide. Easy to scale as an entrepreneur. What do you need to start dropshipping? An online store, and Shopify is the most popular. A reliable supplier, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, etc. A marketing strategy, Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer marketing. 2. How to start Shopify dropshipping. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for starting a dropshipping business. With Shopify, you can easily create your own online store. Step 1. Create an account on Shopify and take a 14-day free trial. Step 2. Select a profitable niche, e.g., fitness, pet products, gadgets. Step 3. Import products using Oberlo or CJ Dropshipping. Step 4. Design your website and set up payment gateways. Step 5. Start marketing using Facebook or Google Ads. Step 6. Manage customer service and feedback properly. Success tips. Always choose high-demand products. Set the right target audience on Facebook and Instagram. Provide good customer service to reduce refunds and returns. 3. What is Amazon FBA? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. In this model, you stock your products in Amazon's warehouse, and Amazon takes care of packing, shipping, and customer service for you. Why is Amazon FBA beneficial? You get access to Amazon's massive customer base. Amazon's strong logistics system ensures fast delivery. Your products get priority for prime customers. How to start Amazon FBA? 1. Create an Amazon seller account. 2. Select a product. Product research is crucial. Send products to Amazon's warehouse. 4. List your product on Amazon Marketplace. Success tips. Choose high-demand, low-competition products. Offer discounts initially to increase product reviews. Use Amazon ads to boost your product listing. Final thoughts. Earning money online through dropshipping, Shopify, and Amazon FBA is completely possible. But success requires patience and effort. You may face some challenges initially, but with the right strategy and consistent effort, you will definitely succeed. I hope this video has given you a clear guide on starting your online business. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will answer all of them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.